What are you going to do, Jeffrey? Who won? Whoa. Bring it back up here. See who wins now. Okay, Lexi. You going to race against Lexi, Jeffrey? Yeah. Okay. Who won?
What we gotta do?
Both of them?
What we gotta do? Okay, grab one of your cards, Jeffrey. Press that red button when they hit the track. Okay.
Okay, ready again.
No, I'm not. 1, 2.
Who won this time? Okay. Here we go. All right, get ready to start. Hold on. I'm at the start line.
That's what it does. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Mark. Get set. Go!